2022 was an incredible year for Caliber, and our success was driven by two things. First, Caliber is a purpose-driven company. We are in business to deliver on our purpose of restoring the rhythm of your life. Our purpose is our North Star and drives us to become the most trusted automotive service provider in every community that we serve. Next, and most importantly, that purpose is driven by our amazing teammates. They live our core values of doing the right thing, being inspired to serve. They are proud, they are courageous, and they have a lot of fun along the way. Throughout our 25-year history, we attribute our success to the commitment of our teammates to restoring the rhythm of lives in the communities that we serve. I hope you enjoy some of our teammates and company highlights from 2022. Thank you for delivering 25 years of customer service excellence and for restoring the rhythm of each life you touch.